Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Located on the esplanade of Phillip Island, Fisherman's Wharf in Cowes is a renowned eatery offering a variety of seafood delights. With its convenient position, customers can easily take away their delicious lunch packs and savor them on the foreshore or near the water opposite the restaurant. Serving well-prepared dishes including whiting, flounder, calamari rings, scallops, chips, and potato cakes, this establishment has earned a reputation for its excellent offerings. Details, open days, times, Monday, Sunday, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Restaurants, seafood, facilities, good for kids, home delivery, takeaway. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs.
How's the taste? Not so good. Typical fish and chip.
Please do watch our other Phillip Island vlogs. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.